In front of me is SONY Xperia 17 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find and open an app called Files that's already on your device. Then tap on those three lines at the top left corner of it and select Clean at the top. Finally, hit Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!